Love this outfit, 31 play suit, and it has a little hippie type jacket to go with it, which I'll show you in a second. And if you want to see what it looks like on a person, check out my little silly video that goes, my little silly music video in which I have this on. The lighting isn't so great, but here you can see how vivid and cutesy it is. Very unusual. Lots of fabulous colors. So it's 31 in length, and I'll give you the rest of the measurements as soon as I get it off the mannequin here. So here's this other cute little part of it that I was telling you about. You wear over it, see? And it's got these two little pockets, and it buttons like this. It's very cute. And this is the back of it. More great fabric. Its little inseam is almost 4 inches. It's like 3 3/4. Here's its little label, Allegro, and the bust measures 19, then the waist measures 17 across, and then the hips measure 21 1/4 across. Here is a totally outrageous Jean Paul Gaultier dress, very rare to find.